Happy Dragon Boat Festival, everyone! Wish you all peace and wellness today. Summer is finally here, and the village air is thick with the scent of wild herbs. I wanted to take you along to experience the festival with me. Listen, you can already hear the drums on the river. Look at the energy here. Around here, it doesn't really feel like summer has truly started until you've watched the dragon boat race. Growing up, I always thought this was just about honoring ancient poets, but it actually goes back much further. Originally, it was a ritual to worship the Dragon Ancestor. This time of year can bring heavy rains, so it was a way to pay for good weather and a safe season. Watching everyone roll with so much heart, it honestly gives you a little burst of energy for your own life, doesn't it? After all that excitement, it's nice to let your heart settle a bit. We stopped by a traditional apothecary to blend some festival herbal sachets. Look at all these nature sun-dried plants. The best part is just smelling them one by one to find the exact scent profile you love. And then we crush them into a fine powder.
七里香，我们找一下七里香，一根，薰衣草，薰衣草在这儿，薰衣草2勺，然后丁香，丁香半勺，一点点。 薄荷2勺，薄荷。好。You might wonder why people went through all this trouble every summer. This is when midsummer hits. The weather gets hot and humid, and all kinds of pests wake up. Before modern medicine, it was a prime time for seasonal sickness to spread. So the core of this festival is actually about protection and wishing for good health. The ancient wisdom is all in the details. These sachets are packed with medicinal herbs to naturally repel pests. And the 5-colored threads we tie around children's wrists, they are like little spiritual locks meant to keep blessings in. Every single tug and tie holds a little prayer for the people we love. On the way back, we picked up a few bundles of Mugwort and Calamus at the village market. Every single householder around here hands these on their front doors for the festival. The scent is this sharp, earthy, herbal fragrance that naturally purifies the air. Bags absolutely hate it. The old fox always says, Mugwort brings 100 blessings, and Calamus cuts through 1,000 misfortunes.
每一个都很多，就精的、肥的、瘦的、大的。然后它烧完以后，这个肥的就变油了嘛，就都在糯米里面了，很好吃。
你也不写好了。那这样吧。有的人先买去的。
这样奶是他们最好看的。
这样买去煮干净，它可以。煮的吃。
煮的给他嘴巴里啃啃。
这样不是也可以的？我并没有这么想。
这就是生的。
Alright, now for the main event, making Zongzi. Most people know the story behind this about the ancient poet Qu Yuan. When he threw himself into the river out of love for his country, the local people were so heartbroken. They wrapped the sticky rice tightly in bamboo leaves and tossed them into the water to feed the fish, hoping they wouldn't disturb his spirit. Wrapping this is definitely an exercise in patience. You take a leaf, fold it into a neat little cone, pack in the sticky rice, and nestle a scoop of my absolute favorite sweet red bean pasta right in the center. You have to be gentle but firm when you wrap it, and tie the twine tight. It's incredibly therapeutic. Watching these plump little petals take shape in your hands, it feels like time just slows down. Now we just leave the rest to time and a gentle simmer on the stove. The second you snip that twine, the aroma of the steamed bamboo leaves and the sweet rice just rushes out to meet you. Gently peeling it back, look at that soft, beautifully sticky texture. This is exactly what summer tastes like to me. Now that we've had our Zongzi, I hope this coming season brings you nothing but peace and healthy. Alright, take care, my friends. I will see you in the next time.